you do that.
Okay,
She's real fancy when she's Tierney, you need to stop moving the table like that. Oh, now they can actually see this.
No. I'm gonna go see my video. Oh, you did it. Oh yeah.
People on this table just knocking the table down. It's getting annoying. Oh, there it is now.
Y'all better be good at eating. There's like thousands of food left. All of it. Y'all missing out.
Missing out on what?
All of the food.
I don't care.
Yeah, 'cause we don't want to eat. That's nasty.
Don't care.
Yeah, 'cause that's nasty.
I'm gonna get me a cupcake.
Yeah, 'cause that's nasty food.
That's not nasty food, so it's actually good food. Just don't want to eat.
I just don't want to eat it.
No, it's how you talk about people's food. Just don't eat it.
Oh,
No.
get your slime. Hey. All of these. Come here. Yeah.
No. Or you need to stop touching slime while you're trying to eat, because did you know if you get chemicals on your food, then you'll just die. You'll die.
Great. Good, guys. Oh, you did it. Eat. I was rude. Ah, you did it. Go eat.
Okay, guys, I am done with this video today. I'll be making another video
Boy, can I only get a piece of chicken?
about
Only get a
how to make
I'm gonna
some.
you're not getting none.
So, see you next time.